Alright, we're back with the SLI machine again. And I figure since I had to replace the monitor, I might as well bring it out and try and replace the SSD once again. So there's the Western Digital Green SSD plugged in. I'm going to actually replace both the SSD, the existing one, which is this thing here, and the hard drive with this, because I don't really need 250 gigs plus another 240 gigs. I don't even need the 128 and the 250 gigs, so this should hopefully be good. But I gotta power this on, see if my monitor works. Unfortunately, the monitor was DVI, and I don't have any DVI monitors laying around, so I had to use this piece of crap ProView VGA monitor, at least until I can get one that's got DVI. So, again, forgive the wind noise. I have it that on because it's nice and cool outside, so I can get it nice and cool in here. Beep. Monitor is on. And predictably it looks like crap. Should boot to Windows 7. Wow, that really looks like crap. Why is it so dark? I wonder if the brightness is low. Now the brightness is almost all the way up. So why does it look so dark? What about the contrast? Okay, the contrast is alright. Automatic. Whatever, we'll just use the auto, which actually just got it hilariously wrong. What a piece of junk. Alright, this is a temporary monitor. So I'm going to sign in, we'll clone this drive if it'll actually work. Alright, so there's what we're going to do. You can see there is the existing drive on the top there. And there's what we're going to make it. 64 gigs should be plenty for the OS drive. And the remaining space can be used as scratch pad. I'll have to make that partition later. Right now I just want to get this clone done. Okay, it took about half an hour to do that. A little bit more than half an hour. So we'll click OK. Then you can see the very crappy read speed of that junky original SSD compared to the write speed of the new one. That's pretty bad. But now I'm going to shut it down and get all the excess junk out of here and see if it works. There it is down there. Out of curiosity, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to see if I can get it to work on port 0. I kind of doubt it though. Where's the power switch? Come on, baby. Yeah, I don't think it's working. Shouldn't take that long. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's not working. Oh, darn it. I think I got a dead port on that motherboard. Oh well. I'm actually going to go in and rerun the Windows benchmark. So you can see what it was before. See if it improves any. I don't expect any changes though. Does know enough disk has changed, but I don't, like I said, I don't anticipate any real difference in performance. Really, the only big thing is that this new drive supports smart monitoring, as you can see here. Where the old one did not. It's still only running at SATA 1.5 because that's all it supports. So we'll see what happens when this is done. Well, that's a first thing. First for me. Huh. I wonder if it's because I had this open. I decided to open this up. I'll run it later, and maybe I'll post it in the video description if anything's changed. Now I gotta get the data off of this scratch pad drive here. So, let's go ahead and do that. We'll just make a new partition. Actually, I wonder if I could... I don't want to copy the boot sector over, though. That's the thing. So I don't think I'm going to do that. Because there is no boot sector on that other drive, and I want to trash Windows. So we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Open up D. Open up F. And we'll just take all the files. We'll actually just Control X them right off of here. And just paste them right there. We can get an idea for speed. Not too shabby, really, considering it's only SATA 1.5. So we'll let that run, and that'll be that. Okay, so I did finally manage to rerun the assessment, and believe it or not, it's actually a worse drive by 0.1. So that's kind of sad that a Western Digital name brand hard drive, assuming that actually is a name brand SSD, it actually is a Western Digital and not just some fake thing with a Western Digital sticker on it. It's pretty sad that it can't be any better than a cheap, basically glorified USB stick. Although, like I said, the real improvement is not so much the speed, rather it is the fact that I actually have smart monitoring on this new drive, so I'm not, totally in the dark as far as, all the information goes. Well, I really don't know. It seems like most everything is just says vendor specific if you look at it there. Well, anyway, I think that's it for the video, so thanks for watching. If you got any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. Hope to see you next time. Until then.